Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 78. काही केले काय झाले, म्हणती जनते समजा चळले, धर्माचरण जयांनी वर्जिले, तयास पहिले वर्जावे. There will be persons who say that they will behave as they like, as they have strayed from the path. Those who have turned their backs on religious observances turn away from such people first. समोर येता बाजूसी जावे, महाभयंकर ते समजावे, त्यांच्या छायेसही न रहावे, पडल्या सहावे कष्टही. If you come across them, swerve away from them. Consider them to be very dangerous. Be afraid of even their shadows and go out of the way to avoid them. आचारहीन शीलभ्रष्ट, विचारहीन कर्मनष्ट, देखे ना जो इष्टानिष्ट, केवी तो अभिष्ट पावेल. One who is lawless, immoral, thoughtless, without any purpose, who cannot distinguish between right and wrong, how will he achieve any good in life? लाग्या बांध्या वीण विशेषी, कोणी न येई आपुले पाशी, श्वान सूकर कामाशी, हडहड कुणासी करू नये. But without some special bonds of past lives, no one comes to us. May it be a dog, a pig, or a fly. So, do not repulse anybody. येथूनी पुढे भक्ती भावा, करावी याने माझी सेवा, करुणा येईल देवाधिदेवा, अक्षय ठेवा लाधेल. Henceforth, he should serve me with love and devotion. The Supreme Being will bless him. He will receive permanent treasure. मगही पूजा करावी कैसी, मी कोण कैसा जाणावा भरवसी, साईचा तो देह विनाशी, ब्रह्म अविनाशी सुपूज्य. In what manner should he worship? Who am I? How can he know with certainty? Sai's body is perishable, while Brahma is imperishable. मी तो अष्टधा प्रकृती रूपाने, भरलो आहे चौबाजूने, हेची अर्जुनासी भगवंताने, गीता व्याख्याने निवेदिले. All pervading as I am the personification of the eightfold nature. So revealed the Lord to Arjun while expounding the Gita. यावन्नाम रूपाकृती, स्थावर जंगमात्मक ही जगती, मीची नटलो अष्टधा प्रकृती, ही एक चमत्कृती माझीच. The world, made of movable and immovable objects, of names and forms, is manifested by me in the form of the eightfold nature. The phenomenon is created by me only. ओम प्रणव हा माझा वाचक, वाच्य तयाचा मीची एक, विश्वाकार वस्तू अनेक, त्यातही मी एक भरलेला. The mystical symbol Om expresses me. I am the only connotation of it. In the whole of the universe, there exists a multitude of things, but I am immanent in all of them. आत्मभिन्न वस्तू नाही, तेथे कामना कशाची पाही, मीची अवघा ठाई ठाई, भरलो दाही दिशाती. There is nothing but the Atma. So, what desire should there be? I am all exhaustive in everything, in all 10 directions. परिपूर्ण सर्वत्र येणे भावे, मी माझे हे जेथ विरावे, तया कामनीय काय असावे, सर्वी वसावे सर्वस्वी. Where all is filled with the whole, the feeling of me and mine melts away. What desires can we have when I am all pervasive?